This video is part of a series of 4 videos that cover the installation requirements for the Zowe ZOS convenience build. We recommend that you bookmark the link at the bottom of the screen. It will appear throughout each of the videos. In this video, you will learn about the optional features and their requirements, as well as the memory requirements for Zowe. Single sign-on. Zowe has an SSO scheme with the goal that each time you use multiple Zowe components, you should only be prompted to log in once. IBM ZOS Management Facility, ZOSMF, is required for SSO to work. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Multi-factor authentication is supported for several components, such as the desktop and the API mediation layer. Multi-factor authentication is provided by third-party products. The following are known to work: CA Advanced Authentication Mainframe, IBM Z Multi-Factor Authentication. MFA must work with single sign-on. Make sure that SSO is configured before you use MFA in Zowe. Note, to support the multi-factor authentication, it is necessary to apply ZOSMF APAR PH39582. The Zowe API has the following memory requirements. Gateway and discovery services each need 256 MB of RAM. API catalog, metric service, and caching service each need 512 MB of RAM.